Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to turn on ad rewards in eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Now when you go to the shop section and here you can see the eFootball coins, tap on eFootball coins and here you can see watch ads remaining 2. So if you tap on it you will watch the ad and you will earn the eFootball coins. But this ads option is available only in a specific region and country. The supported regions for ad rewards in eFootball 2027 mobile is Latin America, that is Brazil and Colombia. In Asia it is Bangladesh. In Middle East and Africa that is Morocco, Turkey, Algeria, and that's it. So in this area eFootball 2027 mobile supports ad rewards. So if you have selected Brazil, Colombia, Bangladesh, Morocco, Turkey, Algeria, and if ad rewards option is turned off in eFootball 2027 mobile, then here follow the steps to turn on ad rewards. So first of all you have to close the game. So simply close the game, then relaunch the eFootball 2027 mobile app and just wait to reload it. Now once it get reload, don't tap the circle icon to enter the game. Tap on this 3 horizontal line and then tap on legacy and privacy. Then tap on privacy options and here you will see the ad consent settings. Tap on it and then you can see change ad consent settings. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom and if it is untick, then you have to tick it mark and then click on consent button and that's it. Now again close the eFootball 2027 mobile app and then relaunch it and then ad rewards will get turned on. Then you can watch the ads and then you can earn the eFootball coins. So this is how you can turn on ad rewards in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.